Okay, continuing with 10.2 Objective 3. We're going to do these last two here. Okay, this one is 81 to the negative 3/2. So again, I'm going to write 1 over 81 with a positive 3/2 first. The 2 is the square root. I'm going to start with that one, and then 3 goes on the outside. 81 to the 1/2. This is the answer in exponential form. In radical notation, it means the square root of 81. And then we're going to cube that. The square root of 81 is 9, and then 9 cubed is 729. So the answer is 1 over 729. Okay, so again, I'm not going to do all of them. I'm going to skip this one. And I want to go to this one right here. Before I do it, I just want to kind of remind you something from your last class. If you have a fraction to a negative exponent, one way you can simplify it to make it a positive exponent is you actually write the reciprocal and then the positive exponent. So for this one, to make it a little bit easier, instead of doing it this way, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the reciprocal and then change the negative 2/3 to a positive 2/3. This is just a shortcut compared to how she did it. This means I'm going to take the cube root of it first. So this is the cube root of what we have inside here. And then I'm going to square that answer. The cube root of 125 is 5, and the cube root of 64 is 4. So this whole thing becomes 5/4 and then squared. 5 squared gives me 25, and 4 squared gives me 16. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this one on the calculator if you have a graphing calculator, because this one's kind of a nice one to do. Okay, so here's my calculator. So I'm going to actually plug it in how it looks here with the parentheses and everything. Raise it up to the exponent, and I want to parentheses around the exponents as well because it is a fraction. And it's negative, so make sure you have the negative down here, not the minus outside over here. 2 divided by 3. When I hit enter, it's going to give me this answer in decimal form. But remember, we had that fraction key to convert it back to a fraction. Okay, so again, this is what I have in here. Make sure you use lots of parentheses. I'm going to hit enter. This is the answer into decimal form. To convert this back to fraction form, you could do that with your math fraction key. And there we go. Okay, this next part I'm going to just let you read over on your own. And that's it for this video.